Corrugated galvanized roof roll forming machine is a type of metal roll former that produce metal roof tile and wall panels. These products are commonly used in commercial and residential buildings. The corrugated roof forming machine is a popular choice among home builders and architects because they can be customized corrugated roof metal sheet forming machine to suit both modern and traditional styles. The corrugated roof sheet making machine is also durable and able to withstand extreme weather conditions.